Project code ITBD16. Project title Forecasting Flight Delays Using Cluster Models Based on Airport Networks. This project is based on the predicting the flight delays from the landing and takeoffs. Okay, so in this age, basically air transportation surpasses the limit of the flight plans. Okay, so there must be a long flight delays or uncertainties in landing and flighting on the or also due to the weather or passengers. There are many things for the flight delays. Okay, so in light of this, we are going to use analysis from the past datas from past datas to predict the to predict exact delay. Okay, using their taxi on off times or landing takeoff times. Okay, so using big data, we are going to analyze the forecast and make this delay at least reduced by a small amount. Okay, so the existing concept is MySQL here. So for even if it is a 1 month data, 1 month of data, okay, MySQL can't handle it. Okay, so data limitation and processing time is higher, is high. So when the data is huge, the time will also be huge. Okay, and once lost, no recovery. Okay, the maintenance cost will also be higher. In the proposed concept, we'll be using the Hadoop, which is Apache Software Foundation. Okay, and there will be many tools inside this. For example, Scoop, Hive, etc. Okay, and the techniques involved in Hadoops are clustering, joins, partitions, bucketing, etc. So the advantages are there won't be any data loss problems. Okay, for example, when we are storing a data inside a database, okay, in this computer, it will be shared across other computers inside the cluster. So even if that computer gets malfunctioned, you can get the data from the others. Okay, and also you can add any amount of resources inside here, so it is scalable. And the data from how much, that is, if four computers are there, the processing time will be higher, sorry, lower time, lower, and also the it's cost effective. Okay, MySQL, it can basically deal with only lesser amount of 2 GB. Above that, it will slow down. Okay, this is the existing one. And proposed techniques, it will use HDFS for storage, and MapReduce for processing. Here we will be using the parallel processing for faster processing time, and Hive for analysis. We'll be using HQL here and Python for predicting the delay. Okay, and this is the architecture diagram. After we give the query for a data, it will go for the MapReduce to process, and it will go for the HDFS to search for the data. And after it retrieves the data, it will again go for the MapReduce, and it will show you the result in the display. Okay. The real-time examples are Facebook and Twitter, Spark. The future enhancement you will be using the live streaming delay, software used. Here we'll be using Hadoop plus Linux, which will be installed in the Cloudera software. Okay, and Python for the prediction. Okay, here the Jupyter is the Python environment. Okay, and the MySQL and Hadoop is compared. Okay, this project. So this is the minimum requirements we'll need to run the project. Thank you.